This is how you change your battery on your robot vacuum when the battery dies. First, you remove these two screws from this plate right here. It's very simple. You can do this yourself. Pull the plate up. There's the old battery that won't hold a charge, but for maybe about 15 minutes. It has a small clip. You press down on the little lever, pull out the clip. That's the bad battery. Here's a new battery. I ordered it from Amazon. $18. You just look at what you need, look at the specs, follow the same specs, order the battery, snap back in the new battery onto the new clip.
Welcome to test for sweeping robot.
And you hear it talking already. Drop the battery in there, push down the clip up into there, grab the plate, put it back on, get the screws. Now, don't strip these screws, so slowly find the threads. If it's going down too tight, then you're going the wrong way. It doesn't need a lot of pressure to screw it down. Drop the second one in. The robot's already talking to us, so we know that it's good. Screwing the plate down. It was that simple. I took the brushes off. I'm going to be putting them back on. You should always regularly maintain weekly your vacuum if you want it to work properly. So you always take these off, clean everything. You take this apart, clean it off. Clean all the hair from the brush when you clean out the container. That's another video for another day. You can even clean this little wheel. It was that simple. Put it back on the charger and your vacuum will work again with no problems. Have a good day. Do it your damn self.